That's right, peeps. We work out on holiday. Stand it up. Pick something like cross training on your heart rate monitor. All you need today is some shoes on. No weights. Oh yes, it's gonna be super duper easy. You're gonna love it. So cross training, hit start, or in my case, ready. And give me a nice big inhale and an exhale. Oh, think about a nice big stretch. Big inhale. Try not to hit the stuff on the side, and an exhale. But you know what? It's what life's about. Big inhale, and then keep the hands above the head. I want you to spread your fingers, be active, thumbs to the back, and I want you to kind of push the chest up so your hands are kind of behind your head. And reach. Tilt your head back slightly, hold it there, and shake it out. All right, let's grab those shins and pull those legs up into the chest. Beautiful. Some dynamic movement. One more time each side. Excellent. Now we're going to grab the heels and pull them to the butt. I know sometimes it's a little hard to grab that foot. That's okay. You do what you can. You miss it, you just go to the other side. One more time each side. Beautiful. Excellent. Open the legs nice and wide for me, please. And let's just kind of relax and push through those hips. One more big circle in that direction. Gosh, and reverse. Other direction. Nice and big. Feeling into all of those crevices, those creaks, those cracks. And then let's just give me a nice march. I want you to move those arms, lift those knees. All right, good. I want a nice steady minute here. And we're going to start increasing the speed. So find a rhythm that seems pretty easy to you. All right, let's speed it up. I want you to get a little bit uncomfortable with this rhythm. Nice and light on the feet. Good job. Speed it up. So it's almost like maybe you're coming into like a slight jog. 10 more seconds, speed it up. Like you're going up some stairs really quickly. Come on. Beautiful. All right, let's go. Grab those knees. Up into the chest. Should feel like a little bit smoother now. One more time each side. And then heel to the butt. Can you grab it behind you? Oh. Some dynamic stretching. One more time each side. Beautiful job. 1 minute, march it out. Okay, find that easy posture, easy march, something that you feel like, okay, this isn't that great, you know, like, I'm not gonna sweat with this. Okay, let's speed it up. Want to get a little bit more uncomfortable. Just start feeling the sweat building in the body. We're gonna speed it up 2 more times. Right now, speed it up. Get that heart rate up. Nice and light on the feet, pump the arms. We have 1 more speed up. Might need to open your mouth now. Okay, let's go, 1 more. Here we go. The next gear. That's it. Drive those knees, drive those knees. Come on, 3, 2. Excellent job. Shake it out. Give me a heel tap out in front. Clasp the hands, push down, get them to shoulder height, take them up over the head. Good. And release the hands. To the side. Clasp the hands behind you. And now, just lift your hands to wherever you can behind you. This is a really intense shoulder stretch, actually very good for the shoulders. You might lean forward slightly and then release, shake the hands out. And there's our 5-minute warm-up. Toe tap in the back. Guys, I lied. I told you all you needed were your shoes. Nope. Take a sip of water. That might be something else that you want. Here we go. All right. We are going to start with the leg strength training. All right, we're doing body weight only today. All right, there are some benefits to that. We can do some really high reps, get the burn. So I'd like your legs hip width apart, please. Here is round 1. Good. All right, are we ready? We're going to be timing everything today. In 3, 2, 1, squats. Let's go. Up and down. So we have about 15 seconds of squats. Now, because it's body weight and time, we're doing it at your pace, right? What gear do you want to get? Good. That's 15 seconds. Nice job. Now give me a little pulse at the bottom. 15 seconds. Stay low. Now I want you to lift that chest, bend those knees. Good job. Come up. That's 15 seconds. Single squats. That's 15 seconds. Stay low pulse. Good job. Come up. Single squats. 15 seconds. Now it should start really like getting tight, right? Talking to you. Yeah? Hands off the legs if you can handle it. Take a look from the side. Beautiful. Down and pulse. 15 seconds. As low as you can handle. At your own pace. Come up. Single squats. 15 seconds. Good job. Stay down, pulse, 15 seconds. Okay, that's the end of 2 minutes. We have 1 more minute to go, 1 more round, okay? Good, come up. 15 seconds, squats. So in every round we have 2 sets of singles, 2 sets of pulses. Boy, getting right in there already, huh? Come down, pulse. Hold it as low as you can. Your pace with the pulse. Come up. Last set of singles, all the way down and up. No break yet. That 3-minute round is coming to an end. Good job. Up and down, up and down. 1 more set of pulses in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, pulse. This is it. Get to shake it out after this. That tightness lets you know you're working those fibers. 5, 4, 3, 2, shake it out. Well done. Walk it out. White drink. Oh. Well done. Catch your breath. Okay, that's 30 seconds of rest, 30 seconds to go. How you feeling? Okay, we're going to be doing some inchworms for the upper body. Okay? So I need you to back it up for me, please. Gonna need a lot of room in front of you. Yeah, so we're working the upper body, that means we're going towards the ground. All right, do you remember an inchworm? I'm gonna show you the easiest option first, and then I'll add on each round. You ready? Let's go. So come down onto your knees, walk your hands out, push back, come to your feet, stand it up. Let's go, 1 minute like this. Now, if you want, you don't have to put your knees on the ground. You can just walk it out. Good. That's it. Walk it out. So getting some upper body and some cardio. That's 30 seconds to go. As fast as you want. So it's your pace, timed. 15 seconds to go. Remember, you can come down onto your knees and you walk it out as far as you can handle. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. If you're standing up, come down onto your knees, please. All right. Taking a little bit of break. I'm going to rest on the ground. Doing a push-up set. All right, this one's not to time. This one is just to count. 10 push-ups. All right, 3, 2, 1. Let's go all the way down and up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Push up onto your knees. One leg forward. So you can stand it up without using your hands. 1 minute break. Wipe, drink. Okay. Heading into some cardio. All right, the cardio is only going to be 2 minutes. 1 minute on the right, 1 minute on the left. It's going to be strength training for the legs as well. So it's going to be a repeater knee and you want to sit as low. Think about dropping the hip and how far back you can reach that leg. All right, we have about 20 seconds more of rest. So we have 1 minute right leg and then straight into 1 minute of the left leg. Give yourself some room. So now you want to be in the middle of your mat. We're going to start in 3, left leg forward, 2, sink down. Let's go repeaters. 1 minute on the right. Now give me those runner's arms, please. Don't think about the fingers. Think about the elbow. Making these little arcs with the elbow. Arc is like a part of a circle. You're drawing that arc with those elbows. You want a nice movement through the arms. Chest up, belly in. Come on, your pace. Yeah? Think about sinking through those hips and driving that right leg back. We're past the 30-second mark. Less than 30 seconds to go on the right. Come on. Are you feeling it in that left leg? You should be. Glute, quad. Come on. Less than 15 to go. This is your cardio. Push it. In 5, 4, 3, 2, switch it out, left leg. Come on, 1 minute. It's kind of like a little bit of relief when you switch out, right? Did you switch, left leg? Okay, think about the arc with the elbow. Lengthen the chest, lengthen the neck, sink through the hips, drive that left leg back. Nice job. Come on, come on. You got this. You've passed that 30-second mark, less than 30 seconds to go. Less than 15. For me, the burn really gets deep here. In 5, 4, 3, 2, take a break. All right, that's the end of round 1. Because it's June, happy birthday. Okay, round 2. We're going to be adding on, okay? So round 2 is same thing, but adding on a little bit. Yeah, sometimes adding on a new move and extending the time. All right, you ready for round 2? We're going to start in less than 5 seconds. Come to me, legs hip width. Remember the single squat 15, pulse 15. Let's go. Up and down. Pace yourself. You know what's coming. We know we're adding on. We have 3 minutes like this. Nice job. Stay down, pulse. Good job. Single time. All the way up and down. Make it as deep as you can. Your own pace. Your own rhythm. Pulse at the bottom. Heading into our 2nd minute. Here's the variation. Stay with me, stay with me. For this minute, we're keeping the right heel up. Let's go single time. Oh. Should I have said Merry Christmas instead of Happy Birthday? Keep that heel up, doesn't come down. Pulse. So that means you're driving through that left foot, the base of the toes, yeah? And the heel of that left foot. Good job, single time, all the way up and down. Push into that left leg. Excellent job, pulse. Good, we're ending minute 2. We're gonna do the same thing, but this time we're gonna lift that left heel, right? In 5, 4, 3, 2, come up, switch it out, left heel up, single time. 3rd minute. So think about the tripod in the foot. The base of the big toe, the base of the pinky toe, and the heel pushing down there. Pulse. That's it. Stay down, pulse. Get it nice and tight. Make the movement small. Single time, let's go. That left heel is off the ground. Pulse. This is the end of minute 3. Okay, we're gonna have a short break, just the reset. We're not done the legs. In 5, 4, 3, 2, come up. Find yourself in the middle of your mat. Walking lunges for 10, right leg. In 3, 2, 1. Take the right leg back. Take the right leg forward. 10, back, forward. 9, back, forward. 8, 7, as deep as you can. 6, we have 5 to go. 4 to go. 3 to go. 2 to go. Forward and back. 1 more. Forward and back. Find your right leg in the middle. Left leg in 3, 2, 1. Take it back. Forward. That's 10. 9. 8. 7. At 6, 5 to go. You go as deep as you can here. I'm tapping the knee. You don't have to. It's balance work. Control. One more. Take it back. Take it forward. Find that left leg in the middle. 1 minute break. Wipe, drink. Well done. Whew. Okay guys, that's about the 30-second mark. We have 30 seconds left of rest. Inchworms, push-ups. Okay, adding on. Yeah? Remember, if you need to come down onto your knees, you can. And this action of getting down on the ground, standing back up, really good for overall health. We have 15 seconds. Get your last sip, your last wipe. Now, when you're doing the inchworm, I want you to brace the core. So the hip shoulder stays nice and strong. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. So you can come down onto your knees, push out into plank, push back, come to your feet, and then stand up. Don't have to put the knees on the ground. Good. Let's go. Your pace. Just make sure you're coming down, walking it out, taking it back, and standing it back up. Your pace. Maybe you're faster than me. Maybe you're slower than me. That's okay. 30 more seconds to go. Come on. This works the core. It works coordination. Yeah? And it works the upper body. 15 seconds to go. Just 1 minute here. Come on. Come on. In 3, 2, 1. Beautiful job. If you're standing up, come down onto the ground. If you're on the ground, come to your knees. Push-ups. We have 10, and then we're going to do a pulse. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. 10 singles. 10, 9, 8, 7, all the way down and up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Stay down, pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Push it up. Short break. Down and pulse. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Push it up. Short break. Last time. Down and pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push up onto your knees. Hands off the ground. Step the other leg forward. Stand it up without using your hands. 1 minute break. Nice. All right, heading into 3 minutes of cardio. 1 minute on the right leg, 1 minute on the left leg. All right, and then we're gonna go into some high knees for 1 minute. All right, alternating. Okay, I encourage you to add that hop. Okay, 30 more seconds of rest here. Get a sip, wipe it up. Give yourself some room, a little bit in the front, some in the back. Less than 10 seconds, come to me. We're starting on the left leg this time. So step your right leg forward, sink down, 1 minute repeater on the left. Now, what I want you to focus on here, the first time we did the arc with the elbow, think about that for a second. And now notice how my right leg is not moving too much. There's a little bit of up and down. We want to eliminate that. Okay, as little up and down movement as you can handle. Okay, so we're doing some movement on the left and an isometric on the right. 30 seconds. Here comes the burn. Less than 15 to go. We have 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, switch it out. Left leg forward, sink down. Let's go 1 minute on the right. Okay, think about the arc with the elbow. Think about movement through that right leg. And you can see some up and down movement if you check my head. Want to eliminate that. Really and truly, I'd like you to be like that. It's a lot harder, okay? So as much as you can eliminate it. It's a balance. Want to move the leg quite fast. All right, less than 30. Less than 15. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 minute high knee. Add a little hop here for me. Come on. All right. I want you to get into 4th or 5th gear. Means your breath should be ragged and you should want to stop. Come on. "30 seconds. Amp it up. "10 seconds. And rest. End of round 2. Well done. All right. Heading into your 3rd and final round. White drink. Adding on. 3rd round is going to be the longest. Okay, that's the minute. Getting another 30 seconds. Giving you a slightly longer rest here. Okay, heading into a 3rd and final round. White drink. Starting in 20 seconds. A little bit longer. Starting in 10 seconds. Bring your legs hip width. Find yourself in the middle of your mat so you got some room. In 3, 2, 1, 15 seconds, single squats. Good job. As deep and as fast as you can handle them. Nice, pulse. 15 seconds pulse. As deep and as fast as you can handle them. Hands off the legs. I know. Back to the singles. Let's go all the way up and down. Beautiful. Okay, we are all tired right now. That's okay. That's one of the ways that we challenge ourselves physically and mentally. Good. Back to the pulse. Okay, that's minute 1, right? 3, 2, bring it up, lift the left heel, single squats. Left heel stays up for the second minute. Stay at the bottom pulse, 15 seconds. Keep that left heel up, pushing into that right foot. Good. Come up, single time. Keep that left heel up. I know. Focus on the breath. Focus on that self-talk. I can, I am, I will. Pulse. This is the end of minute 2. We're going to switch heels when we're done here. In 3, 2, come up, switch it out, single time. Right heel up for that third minute. Okay. Now after this third minute, we're not going into the lunges just yet. We're going to do a challenge, 4th minute here. Okay? All right, pulse. Did I miscount? I did. Okay. Stay here a little longer. I'm going to try and make it up. Good. Singles. I know, not quite 15 seconds because I messed up. It's all right. It's okay. Your body will forgive you, and you will forgive me. Good. Pulse. All right, stand it up. Both heels up. Squats. Keeping both heels up. So it's like a sissy squat. Balancing on your toes. Both heels up. This is your 4th minute. Stay down, pulse. Look at my heels. They're off the ground. So my knees are coming forward. It's good for the knees. Good for the quads. If you lose your balance, just come right back in. Good. All the way down and up. Heels up. Use your hands and your eyes for balance. Brace the core. Stay down, pulse. This is it. This is your 4th minute. Come on. Heels up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Find yourself in the middle. Walking lunges, left legs. 3, 2, 1. Left leg back and forward. 10. Back and forward. 9. Use your balance here. 8. 7. 6. 5. Now we have extra here. 4. Breathe. 3. 2 more. 1 more. Take it all the way back. Pulse 10 at the bottom. 5, 4, 3, 2. Take it all the way forward. Pulse 10 at the front. 4, 3, 2, stand. Moment break. Right leg. 3, 2, 1. Walking lunges. Take it back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2 more, there and back, 1 more, there and back. Take that leg all the way back, pulse 10 at the back, stay low. Bring it forward, pulse 10. Rest. One minute to inchworms. Pipe drink. Okay, 30 seconds to inchworms. 1 minute of inchworms only. Think about the upper body there and the core, front and back. 15 seconds to inchworms. Let's get ready. So back it up. Gonna need room in front of you. Remember, you can come down to your knees and walk it out, or you can stay on the toes and walk it out. Up to you. In 3, 2, 1. 1 minute, let's go, inchworms. So you can come down on those knees, walk it out, push back up onto those feet, stand it up. That's your option. Okay, 1 minute. As fast or as slow as you can handle for that minute. Yeah? What works for you? That's 20 seconds, 40 seconds to go. Come on, walk it out. You want a nice strong core here, so don't let those hips drop or keep them too high. Less than 30 seconds to go. Remember, this is really good for joints, yeah? And this ability to come on and off the floor. A little bit at a time, 15 seconds to go. This will help you as you get older. 3, 2, come down on your knees if you're already standing up. Okay, let's do 10 push-ups. In 3, in 2, in 1. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's 30 push-ups today. Take a moment here. Look at me. Good. Stay in this position. Are you ready? 3 sets of pulses, 10 at the bottom. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Push it up. 1, and let's go again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Push it up. 2. One more set. Let's go again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Push it up. Stay here. Rest. 1 more thing. 5 down quick, up slow. Then 5 down slow, up quick. Yeah? So it's 10 push-ups. That's it. Are you ready? Down quick, up slow. 3, 2, 1. down quick, up slow. 5, down quick, up slow. 4, slow it down. 3, down quick, slow it down. 1 more, down quick, slow it up. Oh, all right, down slow, up quick in 3, 2, 1. Down, 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 push it up. 5, down, 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 push it up. 4, down, 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 down. 3, 2 more like that. 1 more. Come on, down slow. And up quick. Good. Take a moment, rest. Within this minute, I'd like you to be able to stand up, wipe drink. Okay. 4 minutes of cardio and we are done for the day. All right, here's the deal. We're gonna do repeater on the right, high knee, repeater on the left, kick your butts. Okay, that's our 4 minutes. This is rev your engine. I want you to get to 4th and 5th gear. Okay? That's our 30-second mark or thereabouts. We have about 30 more seconds of rest. Last 4 minutes of the workout today. Well done. Those legs were brutal. You're welcome. I need to put like a little gold star in my calendar. Yeah. All right, guys, 10 seconds. Our last 4 minutes of cardio, starting with the repeater on the right. Left leg slightly forward. Sink those hips down. Let's go. Repeater. 1 minute. I was all crooked there for a second. Did you see that? I didn't know what to do with my arms and my legs. It's all right. Doesn't have to be perfect. Perfection is a limiting agent. I know we talk about it in society like it's really good. Like, oh, wow, that was perfect. You know, we say that all the time. But it's limiting. Because really and truly, nothing is perfect. And that's okay. All right. What gear are you in? What gear do you want to get to? Come on. Less than 20 seconds. Less than 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 minute high knee. So the knees are coming up in front, pumping those arms. What gear are you in? What gear do you want to get to? I want 4th or 5th. Come on. 4th and 5th feels like you want to stop. Your breath is heavy. You may feel a little tired. Come on. That's it. Less than 30 seconds here. Less than 15 here. Pump those arms, drive those knees. Left repeater in 3, 2, 1. I don't know if you feel the same, but whenever I change out, I feel like a little bit of a break. Yeah. Come on. Tune into yourself. What gear are you in? What gear do you want to be in? Maybe you're there already. That's a 30-second mark, 30 to go here. $15 to go. Come on. In 5, 4, 3, 1 more minute. Kick your butts. So those heels are coming up behind you now. Pump those arms. 45 to go. What gear are you in? What gear do you want? 30 to go. Are you with me? Yes. Looking good, looking strong. Less than 15. Come on, right to the end. Legs are heavy. That's okay. 3, 2. You are done. Take a moment to wipe and drink. Walk it out. Oh, well done. You got your sweat in for the day? Super duper. What should I say now? Wow, that was perfect. All right, guys. That's your minute. Good. All right, come back to me and let's do some toe taps behind. We're just gonna cool it down together. Excellent. All right, let's step back with the right leg. A nice big step. Push the heel to the ground. And now put your hands on your hips so your thumb is in your middle to lower back. You know, in that area just above the glute. Pull your elbows, push your chest, lean your head back. Beautiful. Head to me. Now you're going to lean forward. I really want you to now push into that right heel. Good. Let's switch it out. Left leg. Step it back. Big step. Make the heel touch the ground. Thumbs into that mid-lower back. Yeah, pull the elbows together. Push the chest up. Lean the head back. As far as you can. Good. Head to me. Release the hands, lean forward. Now really push into that left calf. Excellent job. Shake it out. And now side tap. Beautiful. Stand nice and tall. Right hand, bicep, tricep. We use those in the push-up. Good. Shoulder. Okay, stay facing me, clasp your hands, pull them back, lean that head back, open the chest, squeeze the shoulder blades together. And release. Good. Clasp the hands, palms to me, round the back, tuck the chin. Spread the shoulder blades. Excellent. Let's go bicep on the left. Tricep on the left, shoulder on the left. Beautiful, okay? Legs a little wider than the hips, and I want you to just kind of release and let those hands swing. Kind of releasing the core, the spine. Excellent. Find yourself looking at me. Stop swinging those arms. Elbows just north of the knee, cat-cow stretch. Chin up, pelvis up. And reverse it. Tuck the chin, tuck the pelvis, lift the belly button. And now release and do it at your own pace, whatever feels good. If you want to hold it in a static stretch, that's okay too. Good, round it all the way up. Grab your right leg, quad stretch. Push the hips forward, drive the hand up. So now, as you drive the hand up, really stretch. Reach Beautiful. Standing glute. Can you find your balance? Nice. Standing hamstring. Good. Excellent job. Let's switch it out. Left quad. Push that hip in, stand nice and tall. Now reach. Lift the chest. Excellent. Standing glute. And hamstring. Well done. Thank you so much for working out with me. I hope you enjoyed that. Give me a nice big inhale and an exhale 2 more times. Inhale, exhale. 1 more time. Hold the hands up over the head. Look at the hands as they form prayer. Bring them down in front of the body to the heart of the matter. Thank you so much for working out with me. Rev your engine. I hope you got it in there. Thank you so much. And I hope you have a great day. See ya.